to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Hemlane for property management. So first thing that we should do is we just have to open any of our web browser, and then we just have to type out using the search bar at the top Hemlane, and we'd be able to see this first website. You just have to click on it. That's right. And right here, we just have to sign up for an account. So you just have to get started for free. Okay, and then after that, we'd be directed to this website. So right here, we are now creating our account. So we just have to select the option that best describes you. Okay, so I'm a property owner, agent, or manager. That's right. More specifically, I am a rental owner, professional property management, leasing agent, assistant bookkeeper, or you're a tenant or co-signer. So I'm just going to select professional property manager. Click on continue after that, and then tell us more about yourself. So just type out your first name, your last name, and then your phone number. Okay, so make sure that your phone number is correct. Okay, so let me just type out my phone number right here. Plus 765345559. And that's right. And then how did you hear about Hemlane? So I'm just going to select YouTube or podcast. So here, please specify. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to type out YouTube video, and then make sure to answer the CAPTCHA. And since US phone numbers only, so we cannot really get the code and really enter the tool. So what we are going to do here now is to discuss how it works in for rental owners, for real estate agents, for property managers, for tenants. And for the type of property, we have affordable housing, single-family rentals, and multi-family rentals. We also have rent by room and student housing. So let's start with the for rental owners. Okay, so here with the rental owners, you can find better tenants fast. So you can enjoy the freedom to choose how you want to find and place tenants. Okay, so automate your rentals. So turn on Hemlane to get rental tasks off your plate. So simplify rent and payment, streamline tenant messaging, and taxes made easy. You can also get 24/7 repair and management services. So here, 24/7 repair coordination, tenant messages handled, and reduce the risk. Now let's go to the real estate for agents. Okay, so you can add listing and management to your services while limiting both the liability and admin work. So you can offer leasing and management to clients. So complement your business with a new source of income. You can add an income stream, improve client relations, and generate new leads. Okay, now select your level of involvement. So you can allow them to be your partner in property management. So offer light services. So decide which services you want to offer, and then reduce liability. Decision-making control can go to your client as we allow you to select the level of transparency. Here we can eliminate trust accounts. So rent goes directly to your client, allocating just your fee to your bank account. Now you can also get 24/7 repair and management services. Okay, next one is for property managers. Okay, so effortlessly manage leasing, rent collection, and maintenance in one powerful platform. So you can get help finding better tenants faster. So enjoy more time to scale your business while we handle the admin work. So you can reach more tenants, you can add self-guided tours, access better screening. Here you can also automate the day-to-day tasks. Okay, so eliminate trust accounts. So use the rent allocation feature to send rent to the owner and your fees directly to you. So streamline leases, sign, manage, and renew leases in app with state and the county specific leases nationwide, and improve communication. Now you can also scale your business with confidence. Okay, so you can grow your portfolio without the extra workload. So automate daily tasks, 24/7 repair coordination, and real-time insights and control. Okay, so now for tenants. Okay, so manage your rental lease payments and communication in one place. So from application to lease management in one place, you can access everything related to your rental in one place. So we have online rental application, instant lease access, and seamless communication. Okay, so you can enjoy exclusive perks as a tenant. So get more than just a place to live. You can access rewards, credit boosts, and security for a better renting experience. So here you can earn rewards for on-time payments, boost your credit score, secure renters insurance. Okay, so you can also pay your rent with $0 ACH fees, automate your rent, and track your security deposits online. So streamline your payments, flexible payment options, full payment history. Next, let's go to the type of property. So let's start with the affordable housing. Okay, so easily manage Section 8 rentals with built-in tools for everything from split payments with the housing authority to reminders on the renewal. So why choose Hemlane for affordable housing? So with Hemlane, you can streamline day-to-day operations, reduce tenant turnovers, and maintain properties without the hassle. So you can track the housing authority payments, put renewals in easy mode, and pass off inspections. You can also find better tenants fast, so get your rental in front of more Section 8 tenants with premium listings on plus 15 top sites. Customize your tenants screening process based on the housing voucher program. So let's go with the multifamily rentals. Okay, so take control of your multifamily portfolio. So you can manage your multifamily portfolio like a pro without the headache. Okay, so here unit-based leasing, we have management at the building and unit level, and the multi-unit repair management.
Again, Hemlane is a property management software that makes it easier for landlords to handle their rental properties from anywhere. So it offers features like online rent collection, lease management, tenant screening, and maintenance request tracking, all in one platform. This helps reduce manual work and keeps everything organized, making property management faster and less stressful. And then another advantage of the Hemlane is its ability to connect landlords with local real estate agents and service providers. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.